Friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you list important updates about ApuCoin. Its price prediction this year mega balloon because last 30 days performance is not good, 65% dump here. So right now this meme coin is in massive dip here. So is it possible that Apu can reach $1 billion market cap just like Pepe or no? Can we see its listing on Binance or no? So it just be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. Apu current price dipping 3 times 0 to $3, dropped by almost 3% last 24 hours and 65% dump in last 30 days. Current market cap right now is only $78 million. Already this meme coin hit $200 million market cap and $1.2 million trading volume in last 24 hours. So still trading volume is good. 420 billion coin supply, all in circulation, and other Ethereum ecosystem meme coin. You can see friends, Ethereum ecosystem because I will show you here there are many other meme coins with the same name but on different chain. Here you can see friends, best Apu, this meme coin is working on best chain and Apu Saja on Solana. Okay, but I'm talking about Apu that is working on Ethereum chain. Okay, you can see friends, it's a frog theme meme coin and other frog theme meme coin just like Pepe and Bread on Ethereum chains. This is good, and also Murad Pix. So that's why this category is amazing and coin has massive hype already in crypto market. They are right now 84% down than its all-time high. That was 3 months ago, $0.0014 and 12,000% up than its all-time low. This is amazing. Right now we are 84% down, but coin has still killed 2 zeros since its launching. This is amazing performance from ApuCoin. You can see friends, Gate.io and MEXC both central exchanges has already list this coin. I already provide you both central exchanges links in description. You can join both central exchanges under my link. Kraken, a base central exchange, has also list this coin. Okay, you can see friends, Kraken is here, Tapebit has list, Orbit has list, CoinX has list. So already huge central exchange listing for this coin. And friends, their website is also upgraded here. You can see welcome to apu.com v2. Okay, explore v2. So right now their website is also upgraded here. This is good. You can check out all further details here that this is another frog theme meme coin on Ethereum ecosystem just like Pepe. So it means that maybe just like Pepe we can see his market cap in $1 billion. Also you can see friends, Kraken, a bear central exchange, is also list this coin. Bybit has list, Gate.io, BitGet, BingX. Already many central exchanges have list this coin, and maybe Binance and Coinbase, both central exchanges, will also list this coin maybe later this year. Okay, so website is also looking good friends, and because they have upgraded this website, so this is awesome. So now my price prediction about ApuCoin is that as its current market cap is $78 million, but friends, definitely this frog theme meme coin has also potential to reach at least $10 billion market cap. It's really possible that we can see Apu to reach at least $10 billion market cap because this meme coin going to fetch its first mega balloon this year, and a frog theme meme coin on Ethereum chain. So that's why it's possible that we can see its market cap around $10 billion and already listed on Kraken exchange, that is the best centralized exchange. So it's also possible that we can see its listing on Binance and Coinbase in coming few months here, because right now entire crypto market is dumping. So that's why major central exchanges are not listing meme coins, because meme coins are badly dumped here since last 30 days. You can see, so Apu is also dumped by 65% in last 30 days. I'm already holding this coin on MEX exchange, and if you are not joined MEX exchange yet, I'll provide you MEX and Get.io exchanges link in description. You can join both central exchanges and buy the newly launched meme coins there.